Hey coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's session, we're addressing a new bug that you might struggle to resolve. So without further delay, let's explore today's bug. Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. So here's a clear explanation and the fix for this issue. Please stop the video to analyze the explanation. Now let's fix the code and see what the result is going to be. And mission accomplished. The code works perfectly and our output is just what we wanted. The error has been fixed. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. If you learned from this video, don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing tutorials. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone!